Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Lumber Tycoon 2, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cook these new pumpkins. I think that's sweet. Alright, so now I came back to my base and I brought the pumpkins back, and this is their like color patterns, I guess. Like the lighter they are, the darker they are. This is like the normal pumpkin. This is a pumpkin for like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. This is about 6 minutes, 10 minutes right there. And this is a pretty cool feature, not gonna lie. I mean, you could do this to the turkeys, and I believe you could also do this to the pumpkin pie from last year, which is pretty cool. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video right now. Bye bye.